I'm here with Paul Wagner, who is our resident HP print and cut expert. And I have a simple question. It's very elemental, but people ask me all the time, Tim, the pinch rollers, what should be the default neutral position? And Paul, I've always been told that you take the lever and you lift it up so that the top roller is not engaged with the grit roller during just leaving it during the day. Is that the case?
Yeah, I would submit that's the proper place to store those rollers when it's not in use.
Okay.
So anytime the machine is not actually running, you want to make sure that there's a gap in between the pressure roller and the grit roller itself.
Sure.
So as to not develop flat spots or other irregularities in the grit roller.
Okay, so it is good advice to, like if you were to leave for the night, have the rollers lifted up so that they're not engaged with a grit roller when it sits in a neutral or idle position.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Thank you very much for settling that. That's the official position, I think, at this point.
My pleasure.